Hi friends, my name is Aditya Kauthekar and welcome to my YouTube channel Ocean of Code. So today in this video we are going to answer two questions. The first one is how to append content to a file without opening the file, and the second one, how to delete content from the file and write new content without opening it. We are going to answer these two questions with the help of cat as well as echo commands in Linux kernel. It is very easy guys, so let's start. So I opened my Linux terminal, and as we can see, we are in the root directory. Okay, so let us check the files and folders in this directory. As we can see, we are in the, we are having one directory and one file. Okay, now let us create one file and write something into it. So syntax for that goes like this: cat forward angular bracket and then file name adi.txt, let us say. So what it will do, it will check if this adi.txt file is present or not. Just in case if this file is not present, it will create this file and then it will write something into it. Okay, I hit enter and now I can write something. See guys, I am writing I am Aditya, I am student. Okay, these two lines, and after that I am pressing Ctrl Z. Now we got the prompt, and let us check if this file got created or not. As we can see, this file was not there earlier, right? See guys, this file got created. Let us check the content from that file. As we know, we can check that content with the help of cat command. See guys, that file got created, content is present in that file. Now let us say we want to append something in this file. So for that, syntax goes like this: cat 2 times forward angular brackets and then file name, and I stay in Hyderabad. Okay, Control Z. See guys, earlier two lines were as it is, and this third line got added extra. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to do it. Now let us say I want to delete everything from this file and write new content. Okay, so for that we are supposed to go for the first command, cat then forward angular bracket and file name. Now I hit enter and I live in Gachibowli. Okay, Control Z. Now as I said, these things shouldn't be there and there should be only one line, which is nothing but I live in Gachibowli. So let's check cat adi.txt. See guys, there is only one line. So we have answered both of those questions with the help of cat command. Now let's answer them with the help of echo command. Okay, for echo the syntax is like echo space the content which you want to write. We have to give that content in either double quotes or single quotes. Now let us say I have laptop and we want to write it in laptop.txt. Okay, again it will check if this file is present or not. If it is not present, it will create it and then it will write this content in that file. Okay, so see guys, as I said, that file got created and let's check the content from that file. I have laptop, expected output, right? So let us append something. Again echo my laptop belongs to Lenovo company. Okay, we want to append this to this file. Okay, laptop.txt. Now let's check the content. See guys, first line was intact and second line got added. Okay, so this is how we were supposed to do it. But one more thing, now we want to delete this and add something extra. Okay, so for that again we have to go for the first thing, echo, and what should we write? My laptop costs 40k. Okay, this content we want to add in laptop file. Now what will happen, it has to delete these things and write only this thing. Let's check it quickly. See guys, expected output is there, only one line is there, my laptop costs 40k. So I hope I have answered both of these questions, right? Yes, we have answered it. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any videos in the future. Also don't forget to check out description box for this video. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.